Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah, and welcome to another episode of Wasila Inspiring Leadership. The human race has never had access to information this fast. Answers arrive instantly, summaries replace reading, and headlines replace thinking. And yet, something does not feel right. Be honest. Not broken, not harmful, just incomplete. Speed has value. It saves time. It increases access. This is not anti technology. This is pro intentional learning. Because when speed replaces depth, we confuse knowing with understanding. And those are not the same. Knowing is access to facts, understanding is seeing connections. Reacting is instant, responding requires pause. Information tells you what happened, wisdom guides what to do next. Depth takes time, and time forms people. Throughout history, depth was never rushed. Think of the great thinkers of the past. Ideas were debated in circles, not consumed in seconds. Students sat with teachers for years, not clips. Knowledge was memorized, questioned, and lived, not skimmed. Even in faith traditions, learning was slow on purpose. Muhammad taught gradually. Revelation itself came over a period of time because formation matters more than speed. What shapes you deeply stays with you. Fast learning can create the illusion of mastery. We recognize words without grasping meaning, repeat ideas without testing them. This doesn't make people careless. It leaves thinking underdeveloped, and depth cannot be downloaded.
Depth is not knowing more. It is understanding what truly matters. What is rushed may impress. What is nurtured transforms. And transformation always takes time.
Choosing depth is choosing formation over speed. The goal is not fast answers. The goal is formed minds, steady hearts, and wise action. This is Wasila, inspiring leadership. Reflect, respond, reconnect.